everyone, I hope you are all having a good morning. My name is Jade and I'm going to take you through a little gentle morning yoga stretch. So we'll just be staying on the ground for this one. We're not going to be getting up, it's all going to be on the ground. So just some nice gentle stretches to just get you started on the day. So this is just really good for starting a day. It's good for your central nervous system. If you feel really stressed out, honestly, and you can't meditate, this is a form of meditation. So if you're like me and you've got ADHD, this is excellent for you. What we're going to do is we're just going to be breathing through it. So take really long breaths and really feel into it and relax into it. And you'll get more out of this. So we'll start on our backs and we're just going to bring one knee to our chest. Big day, buddy. Switching legs. Bring in both legs. We're going to bring our knee over. Switch sides. We're going to bring our leg up. So this is a hamstring one. So bring it back as far as you can and then push through your heel, really pushing. You should feel this all down your hamstring. Try to get it as straight as you can. Then relax. Again. And relax. Okay, now we're going to hold it for a bit longer. Try to push it back if you can. If you want to pull your leg a bit forward, absolutely do that. Alright, switching legs. Push. Alright, last one and hold it. Oh, my hamstrings are so tight. And now going to go into our pigeon. Stretching out our glutes. Lean forward if you can and just relax into the stretch. Really letting go so your muscle can release. Now we're going to reach back and grab our quad. I don't really care what hand you grab it with, just grab it. Really pull your heel to your bum. You will feel this so much in your quads. swapping legs. Alright. Quad, oh, quads are so sore. Gonna get into some cat and cows now. Do a bit of back and shoulders. Alright, now we're gonna go into puppy pose. And then bring one arm touching the middle of your back, and then pulling the tricep in. Should feel this in your shoulders and tricep. Alright, switching arms. Now we're just gonna do froggy, open up our hips a little bit. So if your feet are in together, it'll be easier. If your feet are out wider, it's a bit harder. And just really relax into this. This is a bit of a difficult pose and it does hurt. I like to rock a little bit with this. Whew. And that's it. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Thank you so much for joining me on this stretch, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and hopefully I see you again soon.